Microsoft is cutting 3,200 jobs in divisions outside of Xbox, mostly targeting the commercial business segment. Hey GadInsiders, welcome to your Tech Hub. These layoffs are part of a large but expected firing spree that also hit Microsoft's Xbox. Microsoft EVP and Chief People Officer Amy Coleman announced the commercial business layoffs in a blog post, reading, "During my time at Microsoft, I've seen this company reinvent itself again and again. What makes that possible has always been our people. Microsoft is firing 4,800 people across Xbox and other divisions, making about 2.1% of its global workforce." While Coleman made it clear that AI will not immediately replace the eliminated employee's job, she hinted that this could and probably would happen in the near future. She wrote, "It is true that AI is changing how work gets done. Some of the tasks we do every day can now be automated and means we all need to keep learning, keep building new skills, and adapting as the work evolves." Everyone knew Xbox layoffs were coming, but an additional 3,200 non-gaming employees getting fired was a surprise. In the case of Xbox, Microsoft laid off 1,600 employees and is preparing for a further 1,600 firings in the coming months. Also spinning off 4 studios: Compulsion Games, Double Fine, Ninja Theory, and Undead Labs, and potentially shuttering a 5th called Arkane. Xbox employees have been waiting for layoffs since a memo was sent out by new CEO Asha Sharma. She wrote that after a decade of massive studio acquisitions and poor current-gen hardware sales, the Xbox division was overextended and losing money. 1 week before the job cuts, Xbox union members under Communications Workers of America urged Microsoft to engage in a good faith negotiations around job security and layoff processes. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.